Best way to prep ingredients for cold press juicing. Want smoother juice, higher yield, and less clogging in your Ninja cold press? Here's how to prep your ingredients the right way before they even go in. 1. Wash everything thoroughly. Rinse all produce to remove dirt and residue. A soft bristle produce brush helps with things like carrots and apples. I've linked the one I use below. It's food safe and gentle on skins. 2. Cut ingredients into smaller pieces. Chop fruits and veggies into 2 to 3 centimeter chunks. Smaller pieces help the auger extract more juice with less strain. 3. Remove hard seeds and pits. Take out peach or cherry pits and skip apple seeds if possible. These can damage the auger or get stuck in the filter. 4. Alternate soft and hard produce. Juicing spinach? Follow it with a slice of apple. Firm ingredients help push soft pulp through the system and keep things flowing. 5. Avoid overripe or mushy produce. Very soft fruit can gum up the mesh filter and lower your juice yield. Stick to firm produce for clearer results. Proper prep means easier juicing, better taste, and less cleanup later. If you still need a good produce brush, check the one I use below. It's soft, effective, and makes prep a lot faster. Thanks for watching, and juice smart.